So how can you fix the blue box on an iPad lock screen? Let's get into it. Right, so there might be some different things causing this situation. Like a lot of people notice that whenever they share their screen through AirPlay, for example, right? So if you go to the control center, tap on AirPlay, and you just share your screen to, for example, Apple TV or whatever else it might be, a blue box will appear on your home screen, a lock screen, right? And it just right there. So yeah, this is one of the many causes which could make the blue box appear, right? So you need to pay attention to the actual icon. So AirPlay has its own specific icon, but there are also some other services. For example, if you are using voice control, which is an accessibility feature, and it can be turned on inside of the settings, this will also make an icon like this appear on your home screen and lock screen, and you will always see it right there. So you need to find out what it is based on the logo, but most likely it's going to be an accessibility feature, and you can then decide if you want to keep it on or off. As I say, it's not necessarily wrong that you have that blue box right there, but you just need to know what it is and what it serves as a purpose. Keep in mind that you can always reset your entire settings of the iPad by going to the settings, general, and at the bottom we have the transfer and reset, and you can just click on reset and essentially start from square one in terms of your settings. So that's an option as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if we managed to figure out and fix that issue for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I will catch you later in the next videos.